Street sign.
You gotta hide them things, it's illegal to hide them. Automatic fine.
Wolf signs.
This whole thing will go out.
Dreamcatcher. Somebody's dreams in cotton.
Yeah, the spiders caught them.
Hopefully they didn't dream of this smell.
Elon Musk sold $1 million worth of burnt hair cologne.
Well, I guarantee you that ain't gonna be no. You don't want your boys get married, just hear somewhere that they're going to
Yeah, this is bad.
There ain't no gonna be going wrong with that smell.
That's what I do every day.
No, you're gonna feel like that.
Pull that out and over. The drawers can go out. I don't want that.
Emergency toilet. Oh yeah, baby.
The drawers.
Hang it on Kyle's back pocket.
Just
You walk up and grab you by the shoulder and lean on you like you know.
Take all these drawers out. I'm going to use them for that cabinet.
Oh, that would come out of that, didn't it?
Yeah.
Won't you put it back in it?
Oh well, but it's going to go outside.
The one I have.
That's what I'm saying.
Oh, we have to go out there and remember back in here.
I'm trying.
I got a filing cabinet out here as big as this you ever seen.
You're good at filing things, huh?
I filed everything in it. All that file yesterday was a $55 coin. Oh, hell. Put a hinge up here for the spider webs.
That can go in this box.
There's some meds in here. You want me to sell them to somebody?
If you're good at it, go ahead.
I ain't no good at it. I ain't never sold one in my life. I don't know nothing about it. Yellow Miss I need one of them Russian masks.
If it gets any worse, I'll be rushing out.
Anything you want to find you can eat, and they're going to home with you. You find jar peaches, something. I'll take peaches. Oh, they still orange. They're green, I don't want them.
Well, that's your heater. Made it look like a fireplace.
what it smells like.
Alright, Ty. Bend over a little further, I'll check the temperature.
Does that smell like skunk to you? Oh.
You might have a little black and white thing come running out over here. Now you're gonna run if you see that.
You stay on the cabinet side, don't worry about bending over.
I think she was storing up for the apocalypse.
I think the apocalypse happened here.